What's up guys, it's Harvey here, and today we've got a mod for the Subaru. As you can tell from the title, it's only some wind deflectors, so only a little mod, but I thought I'd do it anyway, video it for a bit of content. We're still waiting for some bigger plans for the Subaru. I'm just waiting on sort of deciding what I want to do and whether I want to go down with it, but I have got a list growing of what I want to do to it, so there'll be more interesting mods coming soon. We've got a 4-inch back box delete coming soon with 4-inch tips, sorry. So that should look cool. So yeah, I'll show you the wind deflectors now and probably just show installing them, and yeah. Okay, so in this box, these are actually said for the hatchback, but I got told they should fit the saloon Subaru as well. So we've got some Team Heko Win Deflectors. I'm going to get genuine Subaru ones, but these are like 40 quid off eBay, where Subaru ones are like 120, I think. So these should look good enough. They do help. They're nice when it's raining or windy. They're going down like a bypass or a motorway. And you want the window open for that fresh air, but you don't want the wind noise. These really do help. So hopefully they fit. Not sure if they're gonna. If they don't, I'll have to pause this video and wait. So yeah, we've got some clips there in that packaging, you can see. Which usually you put up into the window sills. But usually I don't bother installing them because they like bulge out the sills. I'll try and remember to show you later. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead, fit these. I think the front should be fine. I just need to check the rears. So yeah, I'll pick it up in a minute. Okay, so it's actually pissing it down at the moment. But as you can see, that's gonna fit up there, which it looks like it's gonna fit. So I think we should be sound. Luckily Subarus seem to use the same parts for a lot of things. So yeah, it should all be good, hopefully. So I'm just gonna have to put the ignition on and we'll just do that one window down for now. We'll put it all the way down. That should be fine. So it does look like they, as you can see, they fit, but they are very loose, so I might actually have to use the clips on these. I'm not too fond about using the clips to hold them in place you're supposed to, but might have to for the rears at least, because they're just going to fall out. So we'll have a look and I'll give you an update when I've figured out what I'm going to do with this.
I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Did it die, yeah. Did it die. Did it die. I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Did it die. Wait. Did it die. Wait. Did it die? Whatever you want, I'll be whatever you want. Just tell me you love me or not, whatever it costs. I know I'm talking a lot, there's something I gotta get off. Don't wanna be this no more, I don't wanna drink no more. Always gotta do the most, thinking that I'm in.
So, just to clarify, hello, we've got to David here now. What I've done so far, that one is easy. It's that tight, you don't even need to unpeel the sticky bit, but I have. That one's not going anywhere. It's even got an indent for that, whatever that thing is. Is it recording? Yeah. This one won't stay up, it just falls straight back out. So there is clips that you can use, metal clips in that packet. But I'm just going to see if that having a window up pushes the adhesive onto that bit to stick it. I don't really like using them clips because you see the bulge around the window. But we'll see. On to the other side now.
Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Wait. Did it die? Whatever you want, I'll be whatever you want. Just
so, walk through this one a bit more. I'm doing the adhesive sticky tape. If you fucking can without unpeeling the whole thing, and it's starting to rain again.
It's starting to rain again.
I'm gonna pick my jumper.
Oh yeah. I always thought that was something off Game of Thrones, but it's not, is it? It's 21 Pilots.
and then slot her in, and just push it like that way to bend that bit in. Feels like it's gonna snap, but it doesn't. And then you can slowly just, before you do this, you're supposed to clean the inside of it as well. Still.
100% did that.
100% did not do that. And just slide it under that seal, snaps back into place. Job's a good one, mate.
Job's a
Not
good
doing
one.
fucking anyway.
Yeah, mate.
Anyway, last one. To be honest, we should probably, well, no, we can just leave it, can't we? If the other one not stuck up, we know we have to do this twice. So same thing, these don't do anything anyway. Starting to rain, my boot is open.
You get catches water anyway.
Yeah, it's fucking got a swimming pool in it anyway. Do that. Slide her up there.
It's the remix to Ignition.
And then, oh. Window, leave it.
Bandito.
Make sure we get fully up. I'll make sure of this other one. Yeah, I think we're good. So I think the next step we're gonna do is just leave. I was gonna boot, like you're gonna boot them. Leave them to see if they stick to that in the next like 5 minutes. If not, some metal clips that you can like push in with a screwdriver on each side to hold them in. You're supposed to do it on that one, but that does not need them. So, sound. See you in 5 minutes. Well, it'll be a second for you.
A second.
Tell me you love me or not, whatever it costs. I know I'm talking a lot, there's something I gotta get off. Don't wanna be this no more, I don't wanna drink no more. Always gotta do the most, thinking that I'm insecure. Really should've listened more, but I don't of course. I'm an asshole, I'm a good guy, I'm your best friend, I'm the worst type. Tell you everything that you heard right, just so I can fuck on the first night. Feel like I'm losing hope, running from coast to coast. I don't know where to go, this all I've ever known. I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. No, did it die? Wait, did it die? Wait, did it die? I'm a stone cold killer, I'm a billionaire. I got my own gold digger. If I wasn't this way, I'd rather die. Won't die. Did it die?
There's a way to diagnose this, and it tricks them into thinking. So, to fix that issue, put it up until it just starts going to the channel before it starts automatically going down because it thinks most fingers are trapped. Turn the ignition on, turn it off, get out of the car, lock it, unlock it, turn the ignition on, put the window up, and then it goes up fine.
That's going to be never annoying.
No, it does it once and then it'll never do it again.
Alright.
It did it on the C2,
I
I
thought
was
you
there
have to
for
do
like
it.
half an hour trying to get it to sort it.
I think you have to do it every time.
Once it does it once, it always does it. No, because it stays up, so it pushes it out of the way now while it's up. If you leave it up there for an hour, it like save that channel for it. You think I'm bullshit? I'm not bullshit.
No, I'm not. I'm not in approval.
I need to check the rears now.
That one doing it too. Oh, it's up. Yeah.
Might leave it there for an hour.
Yeah. Leave it to stick.
I'm gonna leave it there for an hour to stick because that did stay in there. I mean, the amount of times the rear windows go down, the amount of fall off while I'm driving one day.
And you got kids. Daddy, can I put that? No.
No.
No, you're like granddad. You lock them all the time.
So, yeah, they're them clips which you can put up, and that like clips into the rubber seal, so it goes in that way through the channel. I don't really like using them because it bulges that out. So we'll see if we can get away without using them. If not, we'll have to use them.
Hello.
Fuck's sake.
Yes.
Did it die? Wait, did it die? My aunt think I'm perfect, I know I'm not. My mama be worried, I told her stop. They know I did drugs and think that I'm off. Little do they know I never could stop. My manager hate when I'm pulling up late. Back on my bullshit, she think it's a phase. I got relations I gotta maintain. I'm two different people, my side and my main. Yeah, I'm sober, I'm an addict, I'm a lowlife, I got habits, but I refuse to be average. Really so tired of acting, don't know what I miss no more.
So that is it, guys. The wind deflectors are now fitted, looking nice as you can see. Them ones, I've not used any of the clips yet actually. I've just left these with the windows up for ages and I'm hoping they're going to stick there. If yours don't stay up, if you're doing this yourself, the clips just basically go that way and that way, but behind a window. The instructions will tell you. But yeah, they're looking nice. It sets off the car nice, one of the first mods to do. I've always liked wind deflectors on cars, they're actually useful. So yeah, that's that done. And hopefully you guys enjoyed. I know it's not a main mod, but it is something that looks nice. And it looks really cool, so yeah. See you in the next one. Like, subscribe, and comment any, you know, video ideas you want me to do. I've got some things planned, like sort of an owner's review on this. I've had it for over a month now and I feel like I've got to know the car quite a bit, so yeah. I'll see you guys in the next videos. Peace.